The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are continuing here at one of our favorite places. We are at Stutzman's in Pleasant View, of course, with Ben, but today with Molly and Willow as well. So 2026, we're about a month in now. Lots going on here and lots to look forward to at Stutzman's.
You know, when you look outside and we've just come through some crazy cold weather, it is so awesome to step inside the greenhouse and you get the sunshine and the warmth that you get coming. And I'd just like to touch on briefly coming into a new year, 2026, hard to imagine that. But we're gearing up for a lot of things happening, different planting projects, and looking forward to have you folks kind of go behind the scenes with us through that. But just really like to just say welcome 2026, Stutzman's Greenhouse. We hope to entertain you with lots of things that we do and have fun with.
Yeah, I would say it's slowed down here, but it really hasn't, because if you walk back into that production room across the street here, you guys are going. You guys are going full throttle. It seems like
planting projects going already. We're already into coming up towards February. We've already planted geraniums. We've already planted, working at roses and things like that. But a lot of things going on, and it's hard to visualize sometimes for. When people are accustomed to just kind of seeing the plants when they arrive at the marketplace, there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes for that to happen.
Yeah, Ben, our viewers know this, but we are going to be off air, Good Day Kansas, for a couple weeks because of the Olympics here on KSN. So when we come back here with you guys, you're going to be getting close to opening up those garden centers.
Yes, we target for about the 1st of April. And so between now and April, literally acres of greenhouse get filled up with everything from starter plant material to hanging baskets, patio planters, perennials, etc. And so we're just looking forward to share our life with everybody else and really kind of give an idea of what goes on in preparation for what we absolutely love is our gardening season and just the lifestyle of gardening.
Yeah. Well, we always enjoy coming by here at Stutzman's in Pleasant View. You should as well. A lot of great things going on here. But Ben, thanks for being with us. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Always a joy. Thanks for being here.
Yep. We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.